Huh?
Don't cry, Alex. I will ask Mr. Hand for help. I need your help in sharpening these pencils.
Mm-hmm. No!
The match between Cat and Tiger is almost over.
Go, go, Cat team.
Bob is passing the ball. The ball is now with Alex. Alex is driving the ball forward. Tiger scores another 2 points. Cat team has lost the game.
You play so well. Wish I could play basketball too.
How to build basketball board game. Step 1. Build the basket. Step 2. Build the playing arena. Build the vertical moving part. The yellow baskets are moving up and down. Build the horizontal moving part. The blue baskets are moving left and right. Build the curved moving part. The orange basket is moving in a parabolic path. Step 3. Build the case. Ball shooting wheel. Add the rubber band. Basketball board game is complete.
Let's see how to play this game.
Players will throw balls into the baskets. Each color will have different scores. Start. I'll try the easiest level first. Gotcha! This time, I'll try level 2. It's harder than I thought. Let's try one last shot. Hooray! The hardest one is at the top. All my shots missed. I'll throw until it gets into the top basket. Another intense match between Cat and Tiger. Cat is holding the ball. It's flying towards John. John caught the ball. John is driving the ball forward. He threw the ball. It's in. John helped Team Cat win.
You're awesome, John.
Goal. It went in.
Hooray! Basketball is so amazing.
When dreams outweigh limitations, we don't just participate, we shine.
Oh no!
This blender is broken.
What a joke! That's ridiculous!
Unbelievable.
Please wait, I'll make a new blender now.
How to build the blender machine. Step 1. Build the vortex generator. Build the gearbox. Add the gears inside. Add the engine. Step 2. Build the case. Add the battery. Testing. Add the outer shell.
Wow!
Testing the machine. The blades are attached to magnet bar.
Wow!
Or beads. Success!
The store is ready to serve again.
I want a watermelon milkshake.
Please wait a minute.
Watermelon. The blade is starting to spin. Add some watermelon. They are completely blended. Add some milk. The mixture is mixed together. Watermelon milkshake is ready.
Here you are.
It's so delicious!
One banana milkshake with yogurt for me.
Copy that, sir.
Banana. Add some bananas. The banana are completely blended. Add some yogurt. Add some milk. The mixture is mixed thoroughly. Banana milkshake is ready.
Please enjoy it.
This is the best milkshake ever.
I want a chocolate milkshake.
I order a blueberry juice.
Me an avocado smoothie.
Food festival.
Ice cream, here.
Fresh pizza?
Why does my pancake take so long?
Huh? Sorry, just another 30 minutes, sir.
In the kitchen.
Cutting the dough by hand like this takes me too much time. And it's tiring, too.
Forget it. I've already waited 30 minutes.
Wait, sir.
So quick.
Oh no, I need to make pancake faster.
How to build the roti making machine. Step 1. Build the rolling pin. Step 2. Build the rolling plate. Add the conveyor belts. Add the motors. Step 3. Connect rolling pin to rolling plate. Add the battery boxes. Dough in, dough out. Testing with clay. Blue clay. The clay has been automatically cut into a circle by this machine.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
What's that smell?
Just 5 minutes. Come and taste our pancake.
Give me one pancake.
Me too.
The first piece of dough is done. The next pieces of dough are also continuously cut.
Your service is so fast.
But this pancake looks boring.
Huh?
I can make pancakes in many shapes.
Upgrade the rolling pin. The normal pin will be replaced with the pin having 3 shapes: a triangle, a heart, and a star.
Wow! First time seeing pancakes in so many shapes.
Here's your special pancake.
How brilliant. This restaurant is amazing.
I want a pancake.
Me a special pancake.
Me too.
Toilet production factory.
It's time for lunch. Follow me. Hurry up and step outside.
How to build the conveyor belt. Step 1. Build the frame. Install the shafts. Install the rollers. Step 2. Build the conveyor belt. Install the guiding devices. Step 3. Build the control system. Testing.
Damn it. Stop right there.
Let's test it.
Surrender now.
Oh, can't catch me.
You can't escape. surrender now.
Oh my god! No, help me!